In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your n8n workflow if you need to collaborate with someone else, get feedback on a setup, or simply make a workflow accessible to another person. n8n makes the sharing process very straightforward. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can do it confidently without getting lost in the interface. To begin, make sure you're already inside your n8n workspace and that you can see the workflow you want to share. It helps to take a second to confirm that you're in the correct area before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple workflows or different spaces. First, click on Personal. This is the section where your personal workflows and items are typically stored. Selecting Personal helps you navigate to the right place so you can find the workflow you want to work with. If your screen contains several folders or sections, just look carefully for the Personal option and open it. Once you're inside, find the workflow you want to share. After locating it, click on the three dots next to that workflow. This three-dot menu is usually where n8n places extra actions and settings related to that item. If you don't immediately see it, move your cursor over the workflow row or name area, since some interfaces only display action menus when you hover over the item. After the menu opens, click on Share. This is the option that begins the sharing process for that workflow. Once selected, n8n will take you to the sharing settings or sharing window, where you can continue managing access based on what the platform allows in your account. A helpful tip here is to pause for a moment before confirming anything and make sure you're sharing the correct workflow. This is especially important if you have similar workflow names or multiple versions saved in your workspace. Taking that extra second can help avoid confusion later. And that's it. The main process is simply to go to Personal, open the three-dot menu for the workflow, and then click Share. It's a quick and efficient way to make your workflow available when collaboration is needed. If you're following along, feel free to replay this part and do the steps at the same pace on your own screen. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need to share another workflow in n8n.